This is Vallett Auto Sales doing a video of our Dodge Durango here that we just got in, and give you a good view of the vehicle. This is a local new car trade-in to a local Dodge dealer. We just got in. It is the all-wheel drive version SXT, 86,000 miles. Does have the center bench and the back bench. It'll be an 8-passenger, 7 to 8 passenger. Has the 3.6 V6 engine in it. Super clean inside and out. We do offer financing, competitive financing. We've got financing about for anyone with any type of credit, as long as you have a good job and a good down payment. We can get you financed, so give us a call, 618-327-3000, or go to our website, CyvalletAuto.com. Thank you.